Hello everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Maddie. I run EdTech Classroom, the blog, podcast, and of course YouTube channel. Today is Vlogmas Day 21. Now if you aren't familiar with Vlogmas, it's something that I've been doing for the past 21 days now. Like I said, today is Vlogmas Day 21. And Vlogmas is essentially something that a bunch of YouTubers do where we post a new video every single day in December up until Christmas. So be sure to go back and watch some of my other Vlogmas videos if you are just now joining me on my channel for the first time. So like I said, today is Vlogmas Day 21. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing how to use templates and how to create them in Gmail. Templates are an incredible time-saving tip. I find them to make emailing much more efficient, especially if you find yourself sending similar emails over and over again. It's really helpful to create templates and to utilize them to save time. So without further ado, let's get started. So we are inside of my Gmail right now and we're looking at a draft of an email. Now obviously I've done a little bit of prep work here. That's just to help save time in this video. So first you'll see I added some text for the subject. I've titled this Scheduling a Meeting. And then inside of the body of the email I've written, "Hi, name. Thank you for reaching out about scheduling a meeting. I'd love to meet with you to discuss child's name. Please send over a couple times after school next week that work for you. Best, Maddie." So this is just an example of a way that you might use a template, especially if you are a teacher. And so again, what I've done is I put in some general context information and I've added a space for me to put the parent's name or the grown-up's name and the child's name. So this is an email that I might find myself sending regularly, which is why I've decided to create it as a template. So the next thing that we're going to do is once you've created this text in the body of the email, we're actually going to save this as a template. So to save a template, you're going to go down here to the right-hand side. You're going to click on More Options, the three dots. And then you're going to hover your mouse over Templates and then Save Draft as Template. And then you're going to press Save as New Template. Now it will be time for us to actually enter a template name. So this one says Scheduling a Meeting because that's the subject of the email that I created. So I'm going to go ahead and press Save. And so now this is saved as a template. Now I'm going to actually show you what this looks like when you're creating a new email so that you can see how to actually use these templates. So we are now inside of a brand new email. You'll see it says New Message, and I'm going to show you how to actually use that template that we just created. So in the bottom right-hand corner, again, I'm going to click on these three dots. I'm going to hover my mouse over Templates, and I'm going to click on Scheduling a Meeting. So now you'll see the template has been added to the email. Isn't this an amazing time-saving tip? So all I need to do now is type in the name, the child's name, and then add the recipient. So for example, I could say, "Hi, Jessica. I'd love to meet with you to discuss Greta. Please send over a couple times after school next week that work for you." Now let's say I wanted to add a little bit more information. This template is completely editable, so I can go ahead and type in some more words, some more details if I'd like. For example, I could say, "I'd love to meet with you to discuss Greta's week in school. She seems to need extra support in math, and I'd like to discuss some potential options with you," for example. So now you'll see that I've saved a ton of time. I can just go ahead and type in Jessica's email address into that recipients bar. I can press send and my template has worked. So like I said at the beginning of today's video, these templates can be a really helpful way for you to save time. Thank you so much for watching today's video about using templates in Gmail. If you liked this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I post weekly tech tutorials for teachers, and during Vlogmas, I'm posting a new video every single day in December up until Christmas. So I'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye, friends.